guys, welcome back to my channel. I have two looks to show you guys using two palettes from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault. I really hope you guys enjoy, so let's move on to the very first look. First, I'm going to apply my base, going in with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre and setting it with my Cover FX setting powder. So we're going to go into the Armed and Gorgeous palette, going in with the shadow called Access first. I'm using my Inglot 6SS Big Fluffy brush. I'm going to start blending this as my transition shade. This is going to be the dominant color of this entire look, so I'm definitely building up that pigment. Picking up Secure, I'm going to blend this right in the crease of my eye using my Anastasia A25 blending brush. Next, I'm going to go in with Agent. I'm going to darken up the crease a little bit more, but focus this color, those orangey colors, more on the outer corner. I want it to pop in that specific area. Once that's done, I'm going back into that gorgeous mustard shadow Access, applying this all over my lids and my lower lash line. You're probably wondering why I didn't do that to begin with. I don't want to get that gorgeous yellow all messed up with those orange shadows. It can look very messy very fast. Next, I'm going to pick up VIP, such a pretty shimmer. I'm using my MAC 242 along with my finger, definitely with majority of shimmers in the world. The finger definitely gives a better payoff. I had no issues with any of the shadows I played around with so far, besides, as you can see, some minimal fallout, and bam, there goes the rest of my makeup. But now continuing on with Access and Secure, applying those two shadows on my lower lash line and then going in with this NYX Glide On pencil in emerald green, just applying that to the waterline. After that, I'm picking up Top Secret, this pretty cool army green color. I'm going to apply that as well on the lower lash line using my Morphe flat definer brush. Applying some mascara to the upper and lower lashes. I use two mascaras always, Sephora Outrageous Curl for the lower ones, Tarte Lights Camera Lashes for the upper ones. Then I went back into VIP and applied that as a highlight for my inner corners and my brow bone. Popping on some lashes, Lily Lashes in the style Goddess, which is such a gorgeous natural style, but wispy enough to be glam, so beautiful. Now I wanted to pair this look up with some nice soft lips, so I went in with a nude lip, going in with MAC Lip Liner in Spice, and Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in Beige Babe. So you could leave the look just like this, but I wanted to cute it up a little bit, so I applied these heart shapes right underneath my eyes using Milk Makeup's Heart Stamp. But that's it for look number one using the palette Armed and Gorgeous. First shadow we're going to go in with is Rush. I'm going to use this as my transition shade and I'm using my MAC 224 Fluffy brush. Now we're going to pick up Alert. I'm applying this right in the crease of my eye using my Sigma E38 diffused crease. Love this brush. It's a lot more compact and dense versus the MAC 224. Love using this brush to build up color. Now we're going to pick up Mugshot. I'm using the Sephora number 19 brush. I'm going to focus this right in the crease of my eye just to define it a bit more. Now I'm going to carve out my crease using some concealer, my MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and I'm using two brushes, my Sigma Cut Crease in E62 and my Inglot brush in 30T. These are just the perfect tools to perfect that cut. Now I had to play with this red shimmer, which is called Bomb Ass, because this shadow is bomb ass. It is so beautiful. This is my favorite shadow within this particular palette. I'm using my MAC 242 brush, just applying it exactly where I apply the concealer. Now I'm just going to take a makeup remover wipe, clean up any kind of fallout that landed on this face, and then I'm going to magically appear with the rest of my makeup on. Bam, there you go. Now I'm going to go back into some of the same shadows I used earlier. First with Alert with my pencil brush, smudging that on the lower lash line and taking Bomb Ass again. People, it is bomb ass. I love this shadow so much. Of course I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line as well. So the Ring the Alarm palette doesn't have like a nice highlight shade, so I went back into Armed and Gorgeous, went in with VIP and applied that as a highlight on my inner corners and on my brow bone. I also do apologize if it is a bit bright right now. I filmed during the daytime and I had my ring light on at the same time, so I tried fixing it, but there was no way. But I'm using two eyeliners to apply this wing liner, my NYX Epic Ink Liner along with my Tarte Maneater. They're both running pretty low. I gotta repurchase. I also wanted to apply a little bit of glitter, so I went in with Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Junk Show, just dabbing that on the lower lash line. And for lashes, went in with Lily Lashes in the style Ella. For lip liner, I used MAC and Spice, and I was a bit confused. I didn't know what color. First, I applied Nude Sticks in Whisper, which I absolutely love, but I didn't want to go with a nude lip. So then I went with Fenty Mademoiselle in the shade Shoddy, which was pretty cool, but I wanted to darken it up a little bit more. So I then applied Dose of Colors in Cork, and that's off camera. My apologies. But that's it for look number 2. I really hope you guys enjoyed both of these looks using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault. If any of you guys purchased any of the palettes, definitely let me know down in the comments. And did any of you have an issue with it? Because once again, another makeup palette with huge controversy behind it. At the end of the day, they're $15 each. Definitely let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and I can't wait to see you all next time. Bye!